Hello and welcome back to Kira's Workshop. Do you like music? I really can't live without it, and one of my favorite artists is Doja Cat. She's such a good rapper and her singing voice is really amazing. I don't know if you've seen the Say So music video, but it's a complete masterpiece covered with this 70s atmosphere. So today, I'm making a doll inspired by one of her looks from the music video. There is no better doll to make Doja than an LOL surprise OMG, and I'm using swag. First, with brown color, I'm going to trace her new lips. For the eyes, I tried making them half closed. But with the big iris, she looked like a little high. So I erased it and made the iris smaller. But nope, still high. So I'm keeping the eyes as they are, but drawing the wing liner below the molded one. Now, with pastels, I'm going to trace her new brows. Since her nose is practically a joke of a nose, I'm going to play with some contour to try to create some depth. And highlight the tip and the bridge of the nose. Oh, and also the unexisting brow bone. After sealing the doll again, I'll line the lips with a darker color. And later, apply some color to the waterline. I'll continue with the brows with some hair strokes. And color the scleras with white pencil to build the opacity. After another spray, I'll fill the lips with brown. And then use black for the eyeliner. Next step, build up the colors on the iris. Now time for the eyeshadow. I'll use a light brown pastel as a transition color. and a dark brown for the crease. And well, a little bit of blush on the 3mm she has for cheeks. For the sake of this video's length, off camera I'll add details to the iris. And color the lips with nude pencil. Spoiler alert, they ended up being copper. Off camera I'll fill the scleras with white and add the catch lights. Look how pretty. Now I'll apply some glue to the lids. And let the golden glitter rain. I don't believe Doja wears glitter on that makeup look, but I thought it was a very nice touch. After the glitter dries, I'll glue some false lashes on the top and bottom. For the hair, I'm gluing these blonde extensions directly to the scalp. And since Doja is wearing a scarf, I won't add hair to the entire head. For the scarf, I cut a square out of this sparkly fabric. Wrap the head. And sew it on the back. For the 3D butterflies on the bodysuit, first, I'm folding a piece of paper in half. Draw the butterfly. And use it as a mold to cut them out of foam. Now I'll use my lighter to soften the foam and give it some movement. And well, of course you need to make sure that the size is okay. I'll paint the butterflies with purple paint. And I fill them up with glitter and rhinestones. She's wearing a nude bodysuit, so I'm going to use Swag's original suit as a pattern. And cut it out of these stretchy tights. And for the sake of this video, I won't show the doll without clothes, since OMG dolls come with breast surprises, and I don't want to get demonetized. As I don't pretend to undress her, I'll close the bodysuit directly on the doll. To add all those stripes of color, I cut out some pieces of pink and orange ribbon. Pin them on the body. and sew them by hand, trying to hide the stitches as much as possible. And now that the stripes are ready, I'll glue some ribbons on different sizes. And don't worry about that ugly ass finish, cause I'm going to cover it with the butterflies we made. I'll finish it by gluing more ribbons on the sides and on the back. Once I'm happy with it, time for the butterflies. Oh, and let's not forget about the big one on the head. Head on, and now I'll glue more rhinestones to finish the bodysuit. For the shoes, I'll use these Mosaic Skin sandals and paint them pink. I am beyond in love with my Doja cat doll. I thought it was going to be so hard to work on this OMG face, but it was really fun. What do you guys think about her? Do you have a passion for music too? Who is your favorite singer or group? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and become a workshopper by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next time. Kiro out!